Are we going to see Nessie?
Absolutely.
Hey everyone, we're Landon and Kenz, and we're so glad you've made it over to our travel channel. We are continuing our series of adventures with Kenz's parents through the country of Scotland. We started this trip in Edinburgh, then went to stay in a castle, saw some spots where Harry Potter was filmed, went to a Scottish Premier League football match, learned about the Culloden battlefield, and now we're headed to Inverness to check out exactly what Clootie Well is and finish up hunting for the Loch Ness Monster on a boat tour of Loch Ness. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to click that subscribe button.
Okay, so we're about to head to this thing off of the road on our way to Inverness called the Clootie Well, and this has been the one thing that my mom has said that we have to go to because her sister Wendy told her it's the greatest thing in Scotland, and she loves everything that her sister does. So Wendy, this better be good.
It's two boomers.
You need to explain to Landon what this is. Here, turn around and explain to the camera.
This is the Clootie Well, where people come and they hang fabric on the trees to indicate like what wishes that they're making, or if you have like a disease, you're hanging it and you're releasing it.
I think she just made that up.
They said people have cleaned it up because they didn't like how junky it looked, but I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, what's your wish?
National championship for the dogs.
What'd you wish for? So I guess that's the well. And my dad put a dime in there even though no one else has put money in there.
I expected there to be so many coins.
Steve?
Wishing you well. For centuries, visitors have left offerings at the small well here and hoped for healing. The well is associated with the 7th century bishop Saint Curtian, who was also known as Saint Boniface. In earlier pre-Christian times, a goddess or nature spirit may have been associated with the well.
It is said that the illness will disappear as the clute rots away. So polyester won't help you, and that's what we left.
What does it say?
Polyester won't help you, and that's why we just hung in the tree, so I guess we don't be sick. Oh,
What is the clute?
I told Whitney that you're making a Boomers bloopers video. She said, sign me up, I want that.
Dad listens to you too every time he gets in the car because he still has the pre-downloaded album that Apple put on all of our phones 8 years ago.
You do? Listen to it?
Yeah, listen, I'm like, why the crap's that on there again? I just shut it down, and sometimes it automatically pops back when you like. Sometimes if you cut your phone off and turn it back on, it like resets and it starts playing again.
What does the first song sound like?
Hello, hello, hello.
I don't think that's true.
Boom alert.
I'm not a boomer.
Well, we have made it to Loch Ness, and we are now about to go embark on the Loch Ness cruise tour. So hopefully we get to see Nessie while we're out there.
Somebody needs to go get him out of the bathroom, guys.
Memories you will never forget.
That's fine, you had
Thank you.
Are we going to see Nessie?
Absolutely. Full belief it's going to happen.
Welcome to Cruise Loch Ness, folks. My name is Sean, the lovely caller. We'll get you just at the bottom there, okay?
they? We just need to identify them. That's our biggest problem. No clue as to what's down there.
So the red dots right there are 18 to 20 feet?
That one there is, yeah. Some of the other ones are a bit smaller, some of the other are a bit bigger.
What's the biggest creature that's been discovered here?
Biggest one I've ever seen was actually from 2005 and 2007. And it was on sonar. And it was 37 feet, 3.3 tons.
Oh, wow.
What'd you get?
I got the broccoli and cheddar pasta.
What'd you get?
Fish and chips.
What did we get for appetizers?
Haggis.
Hamoli cheese.
Something like that.
And then haggis and teats and
Haggis, if you didn't know, is sheep and
it is. Did you look?
calf internal organs.
It is.
Yummo.
So, a fun fact about Scotland, every single country in the entire world, their #1 soda company is Coca-Cola. Every single country except for Scotland. The #1 soda company in Scotland is called Iron Brew, so we decided to order some. It tastes like cough syrup, but hey, it's each their own. Cheers. Okay, we have an update. It's growing on us. We like it. Also, look at our view. It's so pretty. Also, my dad likes to talk every single time I start videoing. It's pretty annoying.